For the first bracelet, you have taken pearls 10 mm, elastic wire 0.5, glue, scissor. To take the proper measurement of your bracelet, what you can do is you can take the elastic or an inch tape and then tie it around your wrist. Always take 2 to 3 inches extra to tie the knots. You have taken 9 inches elastic and now I'll be placing the beads. So now I'm just going to cut it. Just before tying the knot, check in whether it's correct. It's perfect. I'm going to roll it twice. Now I'm going to put this out here. And now again. And again one more knot to secure it. Now we'll cut the excess elastic. So we'll apply some glue on it. And now we'll place the knot inside one of the beads so that it is not seen. And here we have our first bracelet ready. For the next bracelet, you have taken the elastic, glass beads 8 mm, pearl 10 mm, glue, scissor, and I'll be taking a pair of spacers. So I've taken these. And now I'll place the spacer, pearl, again a spacer, and I'm just going to press it so that they are firm. And now the glass beads. You can take any color glass beads. And now we will cut it from here. You can tie it in your wrist and just check it if it's perfect. So now we will tie the knot. And cut the excess elastic. Apply some glue. Insert it in one of the beads. And yes, we have a second bracelet ready. And now for the third, you have taken elastic. I've taken here 8 mm pearl, 10 mm pearl, 8 mm glass beads, scissor and glue. You have taken 9 mm elastic. First I'll be placing the 8 mm pearl bead, then the glass bead, You can use any color glass beads. So you have taken 5 pearl and 4 glass beads, and now I'm going to take the 10 mm pearl and now start placing them one by one. And now I'm going to cut the elastic from here. We will tie the knot. I have taken it twice, then and now third knot to secure the beads. And now we'll cut the excess elastic. Apply some glue on the knot and then place one of the pearl on it. And we have a third bracelet ready. They are so easy to make. So I sometimes wear one, or if I want to pair, I pair them with the other two also. So what you can do is you can keep the pearl below, then you can keep the second one at the center and then up, and see to them they are in the center. So which one did you like the best? Please do leave in the comment section. Thanks for watching.